Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own marshmallows. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, water, and vanilla extract. Next, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it and dusting with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. Finally, bloom the gelatin in half a cup of cold water for 5 to 10 minutes until it softens. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Now let's prepare the sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and half a cup of water. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, without stirring, until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key for the perfect marshmallow consistency. Once your syrup reaches temperature, carefully pour it into the bowl with the bloomed gelatin. Using an electric mixer, begin whipping on low speed, gradually increasing to high. Continue whipping for about 12 to 15 minutes until the mixture is very thick, white, and fluffy, almost like a meringue. In the last minute of whipping, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Carefully pour the warm marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly with an offset spatula. Let it sit uncovered at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to fully set. Once firm, invert the marshmallow onto a surface dusted with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Cut into 1-inch squares or other fun shapes. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Dust all sides of your freshly cut marshmallows with the powdered sugar mixture to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.